Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Mailchimp account access after password reset loops. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Mailchimp login page. Enter your email address associated with your Mailchimp account. Click on the Forgot link next to the password field. This will prompt you to enter your email address again for password recovery. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Mailchimp. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder as well. Open the email and click on the link provided to reset your password. You will be redirected to a password reset page. Enter a new password that meets Mailchimp's security requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the designated field. Once done, click on the Reset Password button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been reset. Now, return to the Mailchimp login page. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. If you still encounter a password reset loop, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Alternatively, try using a different web browser to access your account. If the issue persists, ensure you're not using a VPN or any browser extensions that might interfere. You can also try resetting your password again to ensure it was set correctly. After resetting, log in using the new credentials. If you are still having trouble, consider reaching out to Mailchimp's support for further assistance. Follow any on-screen prompts they provide to help resolve your issue. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.